Bittensor may post a 7.3% rise by May 24, according to digital coin price. First, let's take a moment to see what the chart is showing us now. According to the latest chart, Bittensor has dropped 8.4% and is near $260.15. Now let's hear from the analyst's side. The price could fall to $250 by May 24 per 30 rates, indicating a loss of 3.9%. Bittensor could move toward $252.50, according to Traders Union, a move down close to 2.9%. Coin price forecast highlights it potentially dipping to $259, a fall of approximately 0.4%. Another estimate from DigiCoin price shows Bittensor may move up to $279.24, a rise close to 7.3%. And to end crypto predictions sees the price reaching $286.11 by May 24, which is 10% higher. This forecast stands out as the most profitable. That wraps our top projections. Let's dig further. Now let's break down what the forecasts in play for tomorrow. Forecast data shows possible changes ranging from a drop of 3.9% to a gain of 10%. Based on these forecasts, Crypto Predictions stands in first place with 10% climb in value by May 24. After adding it all up, you could take in between $4 and $100 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, coin price forecast indicates the most likely price change with a 96.3% probability. By merging the 5 forecasts, I've shaped a single consensus view. The consolidated forecast suggests Bittensor is near $265.37. Here's what it looks like up close. Consensus projections have the price higher by 2% by tomorrow. At that same percentage level, your capital could also experience growth. With $1,000 as the base, this might equal a gain of $20. The probability of the consensus scenario taking place is set at approximately 92.1%. From here, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day direction. For this horizon, 30 rate sees Bittensor heading higher. Traders Union expects Bittensor to head lower. Coin price forecast points to a flat trajectory for Bittensor. The short-term picture, noted by digital coin price, shows the price pushing higher. The direction outlined by Crypto Predictions also points toward further gains. The consensus brings analyst forecasts together and points to Bittensor moving higher over the next 3 days. All in all, the picture shows most analysts expecting Bittensor to strengthen. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were posted. Let's find out how close they came. As a result, the day closed with the price at $265.09. Yesterday's market showed that most forecasts captured the trend correctly. Closest match to the market came from digital coin price. Time to unpack the outcome. All 5 predictions were within the candle's range. As for ROI, everyone showed growth, no losses at all. Now on screen is the overview table, all results at a glance. 30 rates' forecast probability stood at 92.4%, with accuracy and 1.8% ROI. Look at the numbers. Can you guess who performed best? Let's take a moment to observe how the forecast-based returns for tomorrow align between Bittensor and other cryptocurrencies. The leader in tomorrow's profitability outlook is Bitcoin Cash at 5.4%, with Bittensor positioned below. Here I've compared Bittensor with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more can already be explored on my website. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next strong move before it happens. See you in the next comparison.